revise standard form. What does it mean for a number to be expressed in standard form? A number is said to be in standard form if it is expressed as a times 10 raised to the power of n, where a is a number between 1 and 10 and n is an integer. Now, a number is said to be in standard form if it can be expressed as a times 10 raised to the power n, where the a is a number between 1 and 10 and n is an integer that is either positive whole number or negative whole number or 0. Let's look at some examples. Express the following numbers in standard form. The first one, we have 2, 3, 1, 4. The second one, 0.0034. The third one, 13450, and the fourth one, 3.56. So solution: 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. Now our goal here is to make this number be a number between 1 and 10. Now to do that, you take the first non-zero digit. The first non-zero digit in this number here is 2. So you write 2, then point. All other number that comes after it follows. 3, 1, 4. Now this number is not the same thing as this. We need to make sure that whatever it is we are expressing is the same thing as the number we are given originally. So to do that, we multiply this by 10 raised to the power of. This number 2314 has a decimal point initially here, and now we've moved it here. So how many zeros are we moving? 1, 2, 3. So that's times 10 raised to the power 3. The second one, 0.0034. Same thing here. Pick the first non-zero digit, 3, then your decimal point, then all other numbers that comes after it follows. Here we just have just 4 after 3. Then times 10 raised to the power of. The decimal point is now here. Initially it was here. How did we move it? That means we moved it 1, 2, 3. So that would be minus 3 here, because for this 3.4 to give us back 0.0034, decimal point has to move backwards 1, 2, 3. The third example, 13450, and this is the same thing as having, pick the first non-zero digit 1, point, all other number follows, 3450 times 10 raised to the power of. How do we need to move the decimal point to give us back our original number? We need to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, so times 10 raised to the power 4. Like this, we've expressed it in standard form. And the fourth example, 3.56. This is already a number between 1 and 10. So to express it as a multiplication of a power of 10, we have 3.56 times 1 will give us back our answer. So in base of 10, that will be 10 raised to the power of 0, because 10 raised to the power of 0 here is 1, and 3.56 times 1 gives us back what we have. And this is how to express numbers in standard form. Thank you.